started from the bottom. No computer.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am doing once again a unboxing of some mystery keychains. And the particular keychains that I'm going to be unboxing are Halloween related, which is the perfect time of the year to be doing this. So a couple months ago, me and my sister, we went to Spirit Halloween, which we do every single year. And when we go there, they usually always have Halloween or horror related mystery keychain. So I decided to pick a few up. I only picked up 4 because the particular keychains that they had were kind of similar to the series that they had last year. And so even though they weren't the same, I didn't want to get like a ton and like kind of increase my chances of getting repeats, if that makes sense. I'm pretty sure I did do an unboxing of the keychains that I got last year. If I did, or if I can find that video or vlog or whatever, I will link that down in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But I did get some keychains that were from Beetlejuice, some of Pennywise from It, and things like that. And also, side note, I also did get this shirt from there as well. Sorry, you won't be able to see the whole thing, but it just says Bloody Mary right here. And this is kind of like what the picture looks like on it. I just thought this was like the coolest shirt, and like me and my sister were making jokes that this is like me. So yeah, I also picked that up, so I thought I would just mention that to you guys. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and get right on into this video. So if you would like to see my Halloween horror mystery keychain unboxing, then just keep on watching. Alright, so like I said, I got 4 different keychains, and here is what the packaging looks like right here. So these particular keychains, it is the Horror Properties brand, if you can even call it that, and then it is the Series 5 figural bag clip. And then also in this corner of the packaging, it just lists all of the movies that each of these characters or different keychains are from. So we have It, Friday the 13th, Beetlejuice, Annabelle, A Nightmare on Elm Street, and The Shining. Now we can go ahead and flip it over, and then it shows you all of the different options that you could get in this mystery keychain packaging. So we do have a few options from the movie Beetlejuice. We have 2 different keychains of Beetlejuice himself. This first one is just titled Beetlejuice, and then the second one is Beetlejuice on Sandworm Body. It also has another character on here, which is the cutest thing. It is the Miss Argentina from Beetlejuice. And then you also have the option to get the handbook for the recently deceased. Next, there are a couple characters of Pennywise himself, obviously from the movie It. So the first one is titled Pennywise with the I Love Dairy balloon. And then the second one is the Pennywise as a Jack-in-the-Box. And then we have one of the Shining twins, obviously from The Shining. And then we have one character from Annabelle, which is Annabelle herself. I also get this keychain, which I feel like is more on the unique side, but it's actually the, I feel like I'm going to butcher this name, I cannot remember how to pronounce it, but it's the Nibble house from It, which is that like creepy rundown house that like the kids like go into and all that creepy stuff happens. And then of course, like with all mystery keychains, you always get 2 mystery keychains, as I like to call them. You have exclusive A and exclusive B. So obviously I call them mystery keychains because you really don't know what you're gonna get. They don't even show you like what the characters look like, but kind of just looking over the outline of them, it looks like exclusive A is Jason from Friday the 13th, and then exclusive B looks like Freddy from A Nightmare on Elm Street. And I'm pretty sure, I'm like 99% sure I'm right, because how on the front of the packaging it lists all of the movies that these characters are from. It has both of those movies listed on there, and as you can see from like the main options that you could get from this mystery keychain packaging, none of those are from those movies. So I'm almost positive that the 2 exclusive keychains are Jason and Freddy. So yeah, those are all of the options that you could get from this particular mystery keychain series. Now, as far as the ones that I really want and some of the ones that I could care less if I get, I feel like this is a pretty good mystery keychain series because I feel like all of them I wouldn't mind getting. I mean, obviously, like I said from the beginning, I didn't want to risk getting any repeats because I do have, you know, some Pennywise, some from Beetlejuice, and I just remembered, I'm pretty sure I have one from The Shining. Like, I have one of the Shining twins, so that kind of makes me want the other Shining twin. This particular one that comes in this keychain does look different from the one that I have, but because obviously they're twins, I just feel like that would like complete my little like collection in that sense, so I could have both of them. And as far as my Pennywise ones, I don't have any of the Pennywise that look like either one of these. So I feel like I wouldn't really mind getting another Pennywise. And then of course Beetlejuice, I only have one, I'm pretty sure Beetlejuice keychain, but I don't have Beetlejuice himself. So I definitely really want, I think just like the basic Beetlejuice one. I mean, I wouldn't mind like the snake head one or like the snake body one, but you just have like Beetlejuice himself. I think that would be so cool. I don't have any Annabelle one, and I love those movies, so I would love that one. Really the only one that I'm feeling the least is like this Neibolt house one. I mean, I feel like it would kind of be cool to have in my collection because even if you don't know like what it is or what movie it's from, it kind of just looks like a haunted house, and so that would just go good with my Halloween horror keychain collection in general. But yeah, at the same time, like, I don't know, I buy these because I just like the characters themselves, and so I would rather just get one of like the actual characters, if that makes any sense. But on the other hand, if I did get this Handbook for the Recently Deceased, that would be pretty cool. I would definitely want that one if I had to pick one of the like object ones and not the characters. And I know this is probably going to be super, super rare, but like I really want Jason and Freddy. Probably Freddy more than Jason because I already have a keychain that's just like Jason's head. But like if I could get both of them, that would make this whole video. But obviously them both being exclusives, them both being mystery keychains, I feel like that's going to be like ultra rare if I ended up getting both of them. But we'll see. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead, start opening these up. I'm going to start with this one since it's already in my hand, and I'm just going to grab the other ones at random. So I'm just going to cut the bottom here. I think because this is the first keychain that we are opening for this video, I will let you guys see the keychain first. I'm just going to open the bag up a little bit more. All right, so you guys can look in there, see which one it is. If you can see it, hopefully. And I'm just gonna grab it. Ooh, oh my gosh, we actually got Jason, the exclusive A. Oh my gosh, and he's all like silvered out, as you can see. I was honestly thinking it was gonna be either like the Beetlejuice on the worm body or the Pennywise with the balloon, because I felt his knife and it was like, it's super flexible, and so I was thinking it was like the snake's tail or like the stem for the balloon, so that's what I was thinking it was. But oh my gosh, I can't believe we actually got an exclusive right off the bat. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of like the silver of him. I honestly wish they would have just kept it, you know, the way he is, like with the white mask and like the dark clothing, you know what I mean? But like, hey, I said I really wanted exclusive A and exclusive B, so I'm not going to complain too much. But we're going to go ahead and move on to the next one here. Oh, and if you guys are wondering, each of these keychains were $7.99. I think I forgot to mention that, so if you were curious. All right, so I'm just going to, again, just reach my hand in. I'm going to see if I can guess. This one feels bigger. Okay, I feel a little leg, so it's definitely a character, but it almost feels like boxy. I was thinking it was like the handbook, but now I'm starting to feel the legs of it. I think it's Annabelle. Oh no, it's not, but it's Beetlejuice. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I was thinking it was Annabelle because I don't know what I was feeling, but I thought I felt her pigtails. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. Oh my god, this is going off to a really good start. I know I said like honestly I would be happy with all of them, but like I feel like I'm really getting the ones that I really wanted. Oh my gosh, he is the cutest thing. I'm obsessed. So far, that's definitely my favorite. All right, we're gonna move on to the third one here. And I think I'll just like stick my hand in for this one and the last one, because I just think it's kind of like fun to guess. Uh-oh. This feels really similar to Beetlejuice. Oh no, I feel his knife. It's another Jason. Yep, I felt his knife again, so we got another. Oh my gosh, we got 2 exclusives. I cannot believe that. I don't think that's ever happened to me before. Okay, well, my sister told me if I got any repeats, she would like them, so I will go ahead and give her this Jason. I'm pretty sure I already gave her a Jason, because I'm pretty sure when I got like just the Jason head and whichever like keychain series that was, I'm pretty sure I got a repeat of them. So all right, we are already on to our last one here, and I'm just gonna reach my hand in. I'm so nervous. Okay, so we have another character that feels really similar to Beetlejuice. I'm scared to look at it. I have a feeling it's Beetlejuice. Oh, you guys, this is a joke. We got Freddy. Oh my God. My mind is blown. We got Freddy. We got exclusive B and exclusive A. I honestly can't believe that. Like, I'm speechless, because like my top pick, I feel like, of keychains, or like pairs of keychains that I want, I never get, and that's what I wanted. I really wanted exclusive A and exclusive B, and we got it. I can't believe that. That's crazy. Alrighty, so here are all of the 4 keychains that we ended up getting in today's unboxing. Alright everyone, and that is it for this year's Halloween or horror themed mystery keychain unboxing. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you enjoy these unboxings, I have a ton more here on my channel, so make sure to check down in the description box to see last year's Halloween unboxing, as well as some of my other keychain unboxings as well. And I was thinking, I have a pretty good collection of mystery keychains, whether they be horror or Halloween themed, Disney themed. So if you guys want to see like a full dedicated video of my collection of that, make sure to let me know. I know I've done almost like every unboxing of the keychains that I have, so you've definitely seen them before, or at least a majority of them here on my channel. But if you want me to do like a separate, more dedicated video of my entire collection, definitely let me know, because I have a very large collection that continues to grow, because I just love doing these. They're just so much fun. So you'll definitely be seeing more unboxings in the future. But yeah, I'm gonna get going for now, but I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I hope you all have a happy and safe Halloween, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone!